Hi Stephanie, I got your email and I thought that maybe I'm going to record this video as an answer to your question. So your question is here on the top left hand of the screen, and on the right hand I will tie it into our class notes. So this is a slide number 17 from PowerPoint slide 6.2. So maybe it would be better if I had put some shapes there. It will help you to explain. I don't think that we have enough visuals for you guys to understand it in that way. So the first one, okay, so let me like number them. So this is called first, second, and the third formula. There are three formulas there: less than A, more than B, between A and B. Okay, there are the three possibilities that you might be looking for when you're tackling a normal distribution problem. So the first one, so when you're talking about probability of X less than an A value, this is the shape that you're looking at. So you have a mean and standard deviation. Okay, left hand side. It could be like that, or it could be like this, but it is a right hand side area, and that's the formula that you need to use. Okay, so for number two, this one, so let's color code them. So number one, and that will be number two. So number two, which is your problem, okay, it is more than B, so probability of X is a value greater than B. So it is a shape like this. B is your value here, or B is your value there. So you're looking for the area again. This was A and A. Okay, that's probability means an area. All right, so if it is B, it's like that, and that's the formula that you need to use. That's why you were pulling your hair out, if you will. And the last one is number three. So if you're looking for a probability between A and B in an interval, that's the formula that you need to use. Okay, so what does that look like? What is it gonna look like? Probability of, let me see, yeah, A comes first, X, B. So what you need to do, you're gonna look at each probabilities separately. So you're expecting that B is a higher number than A, so you get the probability of B area first, and then minus that probability of A area, right? So this green problem is something like that, A and B, and you're looking for this area, right? But B needs to come after A, so B needs to be a greater value on the number. So then this will be equal to norm dot this, right? B value mu sigma minus norm dot this. Okay. A, B, oops, no B, A mu B. Sigma. All right, so these are the reference visuals of the probabilities, and hence that probability is an area, not a value, because there are problems that we give you the area and ask what are those values. It's afterwards. So for this problem, you have the red shape. Okay, so what does red shape says? 1 minus norm dot this. So the way you're going to tackle this problem is in your Excel. It's got nothing to do with Excel. It's just going to enter the formula Excel equal 1 minus norm dot this. Okay, so what was it? Your A value here is 90, right? Or mu is 100, and sigma is 15. So we're going to enter that in Excel, this portion. Okay, so I'm going to pull out my Excel screen. Now let's try to do that. I need to open that up. Okay, so what were we saying? I'm hoping that you're seeing my Excel screen now. Also, let's go here. Let's pull it out. So 1 minus norm dot is 90, 100, 50. That's what we're going to enter in Excel. So equal 1 minus norm. Oh, look, it's giving me already. Double click. 90, 100, and 15. All right. Oops, nope. You entered 2 arguments wrong. It's the mean standard deviation. Oh, 15, then I need to enter true. Yep. Enter. So I believe if you enter 0.7475, your answer will be accepted on MyStat Lab. Try that. So 1 minus 100, 15, I forgot the last part, true. So that's why we ask you to write note cards, because those things, it's not possible to remember. I don't even remember that, honestly. So that your answer will be, go back to Excel screen, 0.7475. All right. Hope that helps. So moral of the story, you need to use this slide by knowing their visuals. Hope that helps. Bye.